Hello learners and welcome back to my channel Teacher Sneha. Today again we are going to learn to solve some set of simultaneous equations. But today's simultaneous equations are very different than the previously solved simultaneous equations. If you will closely notice these simultaneous equations, their constants over here with the variable are two prime numbers, that is 17 and 19, which is giving you a particular value as a resultant. Now, as I had already told you, when we solve simultaneous equations, we need to eliminate one of the variable. Now here, if you will notice, the variables x and y both have the constant 17 and 19 respectively with each other, which neither on addition or subtraction will get eliminated from each other. To do that, what we had done previously, we had multiplied the equations with a particular number so that we could obtain the variable with the same constant. But now here that's also not possible, because technically multiplying 17 with 19 will ultimately give you a very large number. So now how do we solve such type of simultaneous equations is what we are going to deal in this video. To solve this kind of a simultaneous equations, what you will first do is you will add the two given equations. Okay. So when I will add equation 1 and 2, I'll obtain 17x plus 19y is equal to 36, and here 19x plus 17y is equal to 36. These both things will get added. It will become 36x plus 36y is equal to 72. Now here I can factorize this equation, because here 36 and 36 both are the same constant. So 36 I will take it as a common factor of these two variables. When I take 36 as a common factor, I put a bracket. What is left inside the bracket is x plus y, which is equal to 72. 36 I have pulled out as a common factor, and that is why only x plus y is left in the bracket. If you are having difficulty with understanding the concept of factorization, there will be a separate video made to make you understand how to factorize an algebraic expression. Now here, since I have taken 36 as a common factor, x plus y in the bracket is equal to 72. This 36 is multiplying x plus y, which I can shift to the other side and divide with 72. When I do that, what will I get is x plus y is equal to 72 divided by 36. So x plus y is equal to 2. Let us label this equation as equation number 3. And on the other hand, these two equations 1 and 2 which we had obtained, what we will do is we will subtract them. So subtract equation 1 and 2. When we subtract them, I'll simply write down the equations as it is. So it's 17x plus 19y is equal to 36, and then 19x plus 17y is equal to 36. So when I subtract, sign of f term changes. So 17 minus 19x is negative 2x. 19y minus 17y is positive 2y is equal to 0. Now here what again you can do is you can take this 2 as a common factor. When I take 2 as a common factor, what is left inside the bracket is negative x plus y is equal to 0. Shift 2 to the other side. 2 will go and divide here with 0, which will ultimately result into 0 only. So negative x positive y is equal to 0. This is my equation number 4. The two equations that I obtained after solving at the end is x plus y is equal to 2, which we have labeled it as equation number 3, and negative x positive y is equal to 0, which was equation number 4. Now in this equation, if you will notice, there is a variable with a different sign, that is positive x, negative x, which on addition of these two equations will get eliminated. So when this variable gets eliminated, what is left is 2y is equal to 2, and when we solve for y, we get an answer y is equal to 2 divided by 2, y is equal to 1. This is my one of the solutions of the variables in simultaneous equations. I will substitute this value. Substitute y is equal to 1 in one of the equations. So I will select equation number 3 for this. So in equation number 3, when I substitute it, I get x plus 1 is equal to 2. Therefore x is equal to 2 minus 1. X is also equals to 1. So y is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 is the solution for this type of simultaneous equations with which we had started. So the solution, I'll write it down finally as 1 comma 1. So x value 1, y value is also 1. If you want to cross check this, you can substitute the values here and check. You will get the answer same. When I replace x with 1, y with 1, 17 plus 19 will turn to 36. So the values that we have obtained are the perfect set of solutions for the simultaneous equations that we have solved. I hope you find this method of solving simultaneous equations by the method of elimination found it very easy. And I hope you have liked my video. If you have liked my video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and stay tuned on my channel for more such concept videos. Till then, bye bye.